Part 2, Smart Websites, Chiropractors by the AI Empires. Let's get into it. All right, in the first scene, we'll get that out of the way. What we did was built that smart landing page, and really what we did was just put the calendar widget front and center. Now, in the AI Empires, what we're gonna take a look at is what happens when they book a time, what form we're gonna send them, and then how to put that in to the automated and manual approval process so you can start the next step. Here we go. First thing we're going to do is go to calendars on the left side and make sure we're recording. Done that once or twice. So calendars on the left side, what we're going to do, we're going to come up into calendar settings and we're going to come down to schedule an appointment. We're going to click on edit calendar. So I've set this up ahead of time just with a demo logo, snap, crackle, pop. And we're connected to, or the calendar name is schedule appointment. Groups, we're not in one yet, but we have a custom URL widget, book Empire Chiropractic. First name, adjustment, appointment. This will be automatically populated from that form. You can put your address, you can put whatever you need right in that location value and change the color. We're going to keep it blue and click save. Availability, you can set your office hours, times you're gone, and times your office is open. I don't think chiropractors work full days, Tuesdays, that's just a requirement. So we're going to change this from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. I like your style, chiropractors, I like your style. You can look busy, let's say 20% of the time, and you can set the intervals, durations, scheduling notice, let's say 1 day, we're gonna go 60 minutes, 60, range, the next 7 days, now let's do 14 days. Max bookings, we'll leave that open, 1 booking per slot, pre-buffer time, post, we're gonna leave those empty. We want appointments coming in, but looking busy. Okay, let's go to forms and payment. This is the cool thing to take a look at. So the first thing we're going to do is we want them to pick a date and time that fits their schedule, not enter their information first. That comes second. All right, so we're going date and time selector, and then we're going form. Okay. Now, the form we're selecting is book appointment. We'll go take a look at that in a second. We are not doing the free offer. We're doing the book appointment. Confirmation page. Thank you for your appointment. We will contact you shortly. This will be the manual process that I was talking about. And you can accept payments once you connect your payment provider. Okay. Notifications. Notify my team. Status, cancel, reschedule, reminder. You can set them all up right in here. Reschedule link will, so we need to do, let's say 2 hours before the meeting. Cancellation 2 hours. I mean, people are going to cancel either way, but we'll put in 2 hours. Additional notes, we have contact phone, email, you need to make a change and what to do there. Connections, you can set this up to your Google or Outlook calendar. Either way, you're set up, ready to go. And then you can customize the look, the style, and the feel of your booking widget that you are putting on your smart website to make it match your brand. So we'll click save there. Okay, so now that we have checked out the calendar and how that works on the booking widget, let's go check out the form that's connected to it. So this can be kind of a dual tutorial, all right? So what we're gonna take a look at is we're gonna go back to sites and we're gonna check out the forms up top. We're gonna go into builder. We're going to look at that book appointment because this is the first stage of that automation to manual process for chiropractors. Okay, so we're going to click edit. So this would be the initial information that you need to collect to manually know and approve if you can schedule that appointment. This is where you would ask that information: name, email, phone, what's hurting you, and whatever other specific information to your practice is needed. For example, you can do something like drop in a multi-line and say, you can ask people insurance, okay? And you can say, what? Enter your insurance provider here. Okay, and then that way you can verify what insurance they have if you accept it and move on from there. Again, the AI Empires does offer optional HIPAA compliance, so keep that in mind. And we also have our T's and C's. Let's make that required. Concern required, and our T's and C's. I confirm that I want to receive SMS messages. This is a really good way to contact your patients, but we want to make sure we're compliant and we have them on the approved list. Approved is not a word, but we want them on the approved list. So we're going to click save there. And if we want to come in and make edits, you can add all of these different elements and you can customize it how it's going to work for your business. But it's a pretty cool way to get things done. And then you can also add something like a file upload if you want to drop in information for your patients on what to expect on their first meeting. So pretty cool deal there. And that is the second video on how to make a smart website landing page optimized for chiropractors. Always, always, always. Come up and click save. Get started today at the AIempires.com. I'll show you how to make AI and automation effective in a framework for chiropractors while I build a SaaS for chiropractors that they can use today. That was a lot. Stick around for the next video.